My name is Bernie Wexler, and I've been involved in the entertainment business since high school, practically my entire life. In my production business, if I am not constantly lifting heavy amplifiers, speakers, and lighting equipment to put on stands, I'm loading my transport truck or bending down, fixing connecting wires. I am often standing for hours or bending over my turntable equipment while working as a mobile DJ. I'd been suffering from a nagging pain which ran through my butt, down my thigh, right to my knee. I was diagnosed with sciatica, a condition which is incredibly painful. Strong painkillers worked temporarily, but the pain in my legs, and I tried the laser, and to my complete surprise, the laser treatment worked. Within 15 minutes, the excruciating pain went from 100% down to 25%. And I just couldn't believe the relief was so quick and without any side effects whatsoever. I had to have 4 additional Theralase laser treatments before the pain fully disappeared, and now I return once a month to visit my chiropractor for maintenance. If the pain begins to return, then I beeline over to my chiro for an adjustment and a Theralase laser treatment to catch it in the bud. I feel confident with the Theralase laser treatments, and I am able to manage and practically eliminate the pain in my leg. I am really fortunate to have my life back, free of excruciating pain, thanks to the Theralase laser treatments.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Merrill. I have been delivering newspapers 11 p.m. to 4 a.m. door to door every evening for the past 7 years. I also have a professional dog walking business in which I walk 6 dogs in my area 3 times a week. I do a lot of walking, bending, lifting, and so forth. Real manual labor, and suffer from heel spurs. I cannot tell you how uncomfortable and painful the heel spurs can be, particularly in the winter when the temperature gets below 0. I can't tolerate medicine. Aspirin, Tylenol, ibuprofen, and many medicines make me sleepy and sometimes upset my stomach. My father, who has sore knees, was treated with a laser, and upon his suggestion, I thought I'd give it a try. Well, I can tell you, after the first visit to my chiropractor, I felt tremendous relief from my pain in my feet and have since been returning on a regular basis for Theralase laser treatments. I am really thrilled with how effective the Theralase laser treatments have been and can't wait to go back for my next laser treatment in order to be able to walk again without the miserable pain from the heel spurs. Thank you, Theralase.
My name is David Rose. I'm a retired pharmacist. I had surgery for a large abdominal hernia. Following surgery, the wound was very slow to heal and constantly needed to be drained. I'd heard about cold laser treatment and decided to give it a try. After about 6 treatments, I could see that the wound began to heal faster. I was fortunate that my doctor arranged for the Theralase treatment because the laser really helped reduce the discomfort and sped up the healing process significantly, and there were no side effects. I'm so happy that I found out about Theralase laser treatment, and
It was my shoulder, having a lot of shoulder pains, and due to injury in the front and the back of the shoulder. As a karate instructor, I do a lot of physical work and physically demanding work with karate and different techniques. I've been doing this karate for 31 years, and it's been a tremendous improvement on my lifestyle and my health. But occasionally I do have injuries. It puts a lot of strain on the muscle and the joints. I have to address the injuries. The shoulder's been bothering me for about 3 months. It's an injury from the front and one at the back, and I have limited mobility moving around, moving up, and the pain has been increasingly intense until I started the laser treatment, and I can feel the difference in my mobility. The healing was speeding up rapidly. It's a big difference from now to 4 months ago. With the laser treatment, it's been a huge improvement because it's so non-invasive, it's safe, it's easy, you get there, and the healing process starts almost immediately. And you see the progress in the treatments. I've recommended it to many people, many friends. Definitely, I would recommend it. And it worked for me.
Hi, my name is Nancy Bromley, and I have arthritis in my fingers and toes. Arthritis is a painful chronic condition, and I don't know of any cure. I really wanted to try something other than medication with all its potential side effects, and I heard about Theralase cold laser therapy from my chiropractor. I thought I would give it a try. I go for cold laser treatments twice a week, and it really helps manage the pain. I find I have much more flexibility, and it loosens the stiffness in my joints. I highly recommend anyone suffering from joint pain to try Theralase cold laser treatments so they can get their life back and resume normal day-to-day activities.
Hi, my name's Lisa Levy. I lead an active lifestyle which includes softball and walking and weight training, and my true passion is for rock climbing, which I've been doing for probably 12 or 13 years now. As much as I love rock climbing, it's a very intense sport and it can do a real number on your body, being really hard on your shoulders and your arms and your elbows. And after a couple of hours of climbing, you're not going to be able to lift your arms to drive your car home. So when the pain from climbing got to be a little too much to handle, I talked to my physiotherapist, who is also my climbing partner, and she told me that I should try cold laser treatment for the pain, but I'd never heard of that before, so I looked into it. And the Theralase laser treatment itself was entirely painless. I didn't feel any sensation from the laser, and I felt much better within minutes of receiving the treatment. I experienced relief from the pain and the strain on my muscles, and it's really nice to know that there's a solution for pain that doesn't involve drugs and side effects that go with any medication. Now, when I visit my physical therapist, I look forward to getting lasered in order to feel my best and remain as pain-free as possible. The only regret I have is that I didn't know about Theralase treatment back when I started climbing many years ago. I am really happy that I learned about Theralase and how much it can help me, and how I am able to start to keep climbing and enjoy my life. Thank you so much, Theralase.
Dr. David Palmer, who's the owner of the clinic, he had administered the laser, and for the first day or two, because we were doing consecutive treatments, essentially one day after the other, repeating the same procedure over and over again. For the first couple of days, there wasn't really a tremendous amount of effect. I felt okay, and in a sense, it was pretty much the same, quite swollen and very, very damaged. On the third or fourth day, I had started to see some pretty dramatic results, particularly about 4 to 5 hours after administering the actual treatment. Along with the treatment, he was doing some minor fascial work and some muscle work. So I'm overall very impressed with Theralase, and I would definitely recommend it to my patients.